Everybody who want to know how gross I am. Welcome back to my channel. I picked out pieces from the broken glass so I could use my front camera. That's how vain I am. Like, well, I'm not to be trusted with iPhones, and I just bought another one. Chicken Philly. The phone I got. No. Like, I'm doing TikTok because I'll never be uploading on shit. I'm always just doing dumb stuff. But I ain't showered. I don't do shit. Yeah. If I had some Beats by Dre, I couldn't use them, you know? Because you guys have fucked me. I don't know shit. What the fuck y'all want from me? I'm tired, okay? Let's see. You know what I have been doing? I was playing Skyrim. That forever. They started like, I always play. I started playing. I leveled my character up to like 78, some shit like that, and that's hard. I ain't never got shit to talk about unless I'm talking about something. But damn, I'm full now. Like my stomach hurts. I could never be a mukbang channel.